Hey guys, welcome back. This is just going to be a quick comparison video for anyone that might be considering new tires for a Can-Am or otherwise, and maybe you're considering Intimidators by SuperATV and aren't quite sure which size to go with, 26.5 or 28, and how clearance is and size and fit. This machine up front here, they're virtually identical machines. This one here is a 2021 850 Max XT. This one here is a 2020 650 Max XT. As far as body size and clearance and things like that, they're exactly the same. So it's a good comparison to see the size difference. This one here has a 26.5 inch. I've had them on there for about a year. Super happy with them. I really like them. And this one here has the 28s. The only issue I ran into with the 28s, which I expected, was some rubbing. That rubbing is right up here in the fender, so you can see I've cut a diagonal piece out there, which is what the dealer told me to do, and from what I've seen online, that is where you need to cut. I am still getting some rubbing. I noticed I had it out on one ride so far, even just under engine braking when the front end dips, I am still getting some rubbing. I'm not sure exactly where it's coming from, but I believe it's coming from this piece here, so I may have to cut the rest of that out there. I've seen some people that continue a cut up here to stop the rubbing. What I've done before I do any more cutting is I've ordered a 1-inch spacer lift for the suspension. That should be in today, and I'll put those on, and that will hopefully make the difference. If it doesn't, then I'll need to do a little bit more cutting. But just again to show you the differences, to see how it fills the wheel well. No issues with turning, no rubbing on any of the suspension parts or the arms or anything like that underneath. There's the back there with the 28, and then the 26. 26 fits perfectly with no issues at all, no rubbing, no need for any modifications at all. The only thing I did do was stiffen up the suspension a little bit, so it's one under the highest setting on this machine here. So what I'll do is I'll just put the machine side by side and then show you a clip of that so you can see exactly how they look together and see that the size difference from the front and back. But overall, I'm really happy with them, and if it's something you're looking for, they are a little bit expensive, but I think they're worth it. So I'll show you the front and I'll be right back. Here's a side-by-side shot to give you a little bit better idea to see the difference. There is quite a bit of a difference between the 28s on the right, 26.5 on the left. I'll show you a straight on of each machine so you can get an idea. And then I'll just spin around the back so you can see from there. So again, overall, I'm really happy with the 28 so far. Once I get the spacers put in, it'll hopefully help with the little bit of rubbing that I'm still getting, and we'll go from there. I'll do another video once I get the spacers on and show you the difference. Thanks for watching, guys.